Hey YouTube, this is Wayne here, and I'm about to give you a little bit of a testimonial about my SawStop, now my most beloved tool, because again, it saved my thumb. So I hope you get something valuable out of this. And basically, I just want to show you how easy it is for anybody to switch out the brake, which has gone bad because it encountered a problem with your body or some other apparatus that you happen to stick into the blade, and how effective it is. So please let me know if you have any questions about the SawStop. I've had mine now for quite a few years, and I've actually had to replace the stop, I believe it's 7 times, possibly 8, 3 of which were me sticking my thumb into the blade accidentally, of course. So let me know if you have questions.
I do.
All right. Yeah, I ordered this from Amazon. It took way too long to get here. So I'm interested in getting it on and running. Of course, you know, this is not my first rodeo with these things. Embarrassed by the number of times I've had to replace it. But a few of those times were legitimate. So I have all my fingers and thumbs, and that's a good thing. And actually, when I bought it, I never thought that I would have to replace it even once. And here I am. This is number 9. 3 of them were legitimate. A few of them were stupid errors, and actually a couple of them were not user error, but machine error. And SawStop actually replaced one of them for free. And I just read or heard that I might be able to get this one free because it was a legitimate thumb in the, see, there's the scar. That's a little over a week old. And so that was a legitimate replacement. And somebody said they'll replace it free because they want back the old part so they can do some analytics on it. So I'm going to see if that will happen. So now I need to press this down all the way and then up. That released it. Now I need my wrenches. I have to take this nut off. I actually didn't need a wrench for that because the SawStop is holding it in place. Now, in all the times that I've done this, as easy as they say it has not been easy for me to get this off. It takes prying and a little bit here, a little bit there to move it out of the way, get it off of the shaft. That's because the brake over here is totally attached as one piece. So I have to take this little knife off. That's easy. And now I have to release the SawStop down here, and that's a simple process too. It should just slide right off. There we go. This is a handy dandy little thing. It works great. All right, now I have to get this off. This and the brake slide off together because the brake has ensconced itself on the blade. And as I mentioned, I've seen this done on YouTube before a few times, and they seem to make it look easy. But for me, in the 6 or 8 times that I've done it, it hasn't been easy to get them off because they have to come off together. Oh, that helped. That helped a lot. There we go. So there it is, broken brake that pops down. It's amazing how quick this happens. And only as that saw blade is spinning around here, all I got was a little bitty nick there, barely a drop of blood. Pretty awesome. Dummy that I am, I guess I needed this. So now the process is just simply put the blade on, make sure that's whatever happens there. Oh yeah, I got to put this on. This goes on a certain way. This has to engage on the piece that's down in here. Unfortunately, you cannot see that. but it only goes on one way. Even a dummy can do this. Know what I'm talking about, Vern? There we go. That was pretty easy. Now it's just a matter of replacing the blade. Oh yeah, I got to put the knife back on. There we go. Looks good. It looks good. All right, I'm going to plug it in. On, blinking. Okay, light is green or not. It's not. Oh, I know why. The switch was on. All right, now everything is green. Let's see. Yay! Thank you, Lord. SawStop saves the day again. Oh, in case you were wondering, I have done this several times. Before I had this saw, I didn't do it, but since I've had it, it saved my thumb like three times at least. So I highly recommend this saw. Not only that, but it saws so, I mean, it's so solid. Nothing rattles or shakes around. And my other saw before this one, if you put a piece of wood somewhere on the table, it could rattle into the blade, and that isn't a great situation. So this one does, nothing moves. It's just solid. So I highly recommend this saw. What am I doing here? Am I taking, I hope I got it. Yeah.